You're going to learn the 5 letters: the, ji, zu, ze, zo. The consonant of the letters is z, but you will not see the consonant in the table. This is also something with 10-10. So these are sashi, su, se, so plus 10-10. Then the consonant will be z. It's not sashi, su, se, so anymore. But we don't have a z sound like the, zi, zu, ze, zo. We don't have a z. So instead of z, we say g. So that's gonna be the, ji, zu, ze, zo. Okay, let's practice. Let's start with the. 1, 2, 3, and 10-10. The is G. You need to be careful. This is not Z, it's a G. 1 and 10-10. G. G. The next one is Z. 1, 2, then 10-10. Z. Z. Next one is ze. 1, 2, 3. Then 10-10. Ze. Ze. Zo. 1 and 10-10. Zo. Zo. You might see the letter like this. This is also zo. Let's review. What is this? Ze. What is this? Za. What is this? Zo. What is this? Zu. What is this? Ji. We're done. So you learned the 5 letters: the, ji, zu, ze, zo in this lesson. So next will be ta, chi, tsu, de, to. See you in the next lesson.